Behind me is my 2006 Buick, and for a few months now it's been intermittently not cranking or starting, like once every month and a half. Then you wait a few minutes and it starts again. Last night Maverick was driving it to chase down parts for his pickup, and it wouldn't restart at the gas station. No matter what he did, no matter how long you waited, it wouldn't start. I went up there, looked for simple stuff, checked to make sure the battery cables were tight, which they are. Didn't find anything easy, so we left it there. Came back this morning with the trailer. Took about 40 minutes each way to go get it, another 45 minutes to an hour to monkey around and load it, and then brought it home, unloaded it. Decided I was going to guess that maybe it was an ignition switch. Nobody close had an ignition switch, so I drove an hour each way to go get an ignition switch and a cylinder while I was there. Got home, went to take that apart. Guess what? It takes an external Torx bit, which I didn't own. So, another 20 minutes, half hour each way, go back into another little small town, get that tool set, get the ignition switch changed out, still doesn't work. So I'm like, well, some of the videos I saw showed wires chewed up at the computer, which is under the airbox. So I pulled the airbox off, hooked the battery back up, turned the key on, started wiggling wires from the airbox over to the battery. The closer I got to the battery, I started getting clicking. I thought, well, maybe one of these is bare. Maybe it's touching somewhere. Maybe I don't have a good ground. Some of you already see the problem.
I should have seen this coming.
Turns out there's corrosion in here, and when I wiggle this positive, it was making good connection and going away. And the connection was weak enough when you turn the key on the extra load, it would just click, and then you wouldn't have anything again. No power windows, no power locks, no radio, no nothing. Well, when I loosened that up, shoved it in there a little farther, lo and behold, it starts right up. So now I've spent an entire day, one whole day, to fix a loose battery cable.
What is this, amateur hour?
I hear you. I hear Jeff. I hear him in my ear. Start with the easy stuff. Start with the simple stuff. So now I get to take the steering column. Well, I'm going to take that new switch out, see if they'll let me return it. They probably won't. And take that guy apart, clean it up real good, retighten it, get rid of the stupid felt washer that's under it. Those don't do you any good. Don't buy them. I didn't buy them. The previous owner must have. Yeah. Take a wire wheel to those cable ends, get all that corrosion out of there, and then we should be good to go again. And that's a whole day I'm not getting back because I didn't start with the easy stuff. Oh well. Nothing I can do about it now. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We appreciate you. Until next time, remember, if I can do it, even if it takes an extra day that it shouldn't have instead of 5 minutes, you can do it.